Switches, so because of the pandemic, many people have lost their jobs and are in a financially tenuous position. Does COVID-19 insurance policy have something for people under such circumstances?
So that the COVID policies and the insurance policies that we discussed are mostly indemnity policies. So basically, if there is hospitalization or any expenses because of the disease, then you can claim that. So these are not benefit policies. Now, there are policies which can cover the COVID Rakshak policies, which can cover benefit wise. So basically, if you are COVID positive, again, these are all policies where this is if you're tested positive. So if somebody has taken, say, a COVID Rakshak policy and they are diagnosed COVID positive, then there is a certain sum assured, whichever they have chosen. They are eligible to get that as a lump sum. So irrespective of what expenses they are bearing, this comes as a boon to them, because whatever income losses they would have had during this time, this can sort of replace that household income. But specific to job losses, if you're asking, because of the economic condition, if there is a job loss, there is no such sort of job loss insurance policy in India separately available. There are riders available on health policies, on critical illness policies, on even homeowners policies, where job loss is sort of a rider added on to the policy, so to speak. So, if there is a job loss, for example, because of the critical illness or because of an accident, then that may be covered. But if there is job loss due to economic conditions today, that is not covered in any of these policies, because in India there isn't a job loss insurance as yet. But like I mentioned, there is a COVID Rakshak policy, which I think is a great add-on to anybody who is looking at protecting themselves during this current crisis, especially because incomes have gone down. And when if you are tested positive, this can be a huge boon, replacing your income and also sort of supporting you during these times.